Hello everyone. May I introduce you how to fix your Windows 10 computer problem? Okay. Uh, if you have your Windows PC or laptop problem, same as me, for example about the storage of the computer, let me show you what I have a problem with my laptop. Okay. When I have take a look for my this PC, okay, the storage space on my PC is getting full right now. There are some two main storage partition. C is capacity is about 100 GB, but the space using is almost full, and the second partition is partition D is about 21 GB here, and let remaining some 10 GB for free. So if you have a problem similar to me on Windows 10, and let's see how you can fix this problem. Okay, the first method, I would recommend you go from the start menu and then go to the setting icon here. After that, you just have look for uninstall some of the obsolete program or not commonly used recently not used anymore, okay, or something like that. So precaution, you have to know which program you recently not use it anymore. For example, okay, let's have a look for this Bangchu. It's only 2 MB. You can uninstall it and then you gain the space for storage back about 2 MB. Okay, it's tiny. Okay, but this is just another way of how to fix the problem. Okay, you just make uninstall the launcher. Okay, you can make a scroll down a little bit and have a look for which application maybe you don't use it anymore. Okay, this one diagram designer, the using storage is about 3 MB. I will uninstall it. Okay. Okay, you can have a scroll down and have look for which one you don't use it anymore. For example, okay, this is the how to solve the problem. Okay. The second method, you can directly right click on your storage C, and then you just move to property, the last pop up here. Okay, you will see that it use space about 88.5 gigabyte and free space only 6.21 gigabyte, for example, and the capability is about 94, for example. So you can use the disk cleanup function to solve this problem. Okay, let's how to do that. Okay, you can use this cleanup. This is come along with the Windows 10. Okay, and you click on the disk cleanup, and then you just have to clean up system file. You can click on the clean up system file. Okay. Okay. So the disk cleanup is calculating how much space will you be able to free. Okay. Okay, now you can see Windows Update Cleanup. After you clean up, you will gain the storage about 4.11 gigabyte. Okay, that's sound pretty good. So you can click that on OK. And then are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? So you just make sure to delete the file. Okay, and from this step on, it will take a few minutes, I think. Okay, you can relax back and wait for the process to finish. Yeah, I think it have already done. I think it's pretty fast. Okay, when you click OK, let's see. Okay, you might need to restart your computer to make sure that the process is completed. Okay, I won't show you with the restart computer because I have used the desktop screen capture. If I restart my computer, I gonna have the problem with the camera capture. Okay, that's is the way how to solve your problem when you get the storage full. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next clip or next episode.